Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, I want to thank everyone for your support on the channel. If you guys do like the content, if you guys do like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get on all new content posted on the channel. Today, as you can see here, I'd like to talk about Robinhood Gold once again. There's a lot of new viewers on the channel that are wondering if Robinhood Gold is a good investment product to jump into. So I thought I would take another look at Robinhood Gold, again, focusing on the three major additional options that are not included in the default Robinhood Instant account. The 2x buying power, the extended trading hours, and the bigger instant deposits, as you can see in the middle there. If we click on the icon on the bottom, you can see there are always three tiers offered to investors, and these will change depending on the size of your portfolios. For my portfolio, you can see there are three tiers: $2,000 extra buying power, $25,000, as well as $50,000 and up. You can see on the right there, the first month is free, but then after that, there is a monthly fee associated with having this extra buying power. For the $2,000 account, it's $10 a month. For the $25,000 extra buying power account, it's $120, and for the $50,000 and up, it is $200 extra per month. And as we'll kind of talk about, I do believe that first tier, the $2,000 extra buying power, is worth it, even if you're not looking for that extra buying power. Just having access, again, to those additional features of trading hours and the bigger instant deposits really make Robinhood Gold worth it. Again, regardless of whether you're going to be using that extra margins buying power. If we click on the Learn More button, you can see it has a very nice overview of exactly what Robinhood Gold is, a very nice, thorough introduction here. Exactly what are you jumping into when you sign up for Robinhood Gold. And then it has a very nice detailed overview of all of the extra options here. The extended hours, I think, is the most important part of Robinhood Gold. The additional buying power, which is nice as well. And the instant access. So if we go back to the first one here, I think this is really what makes Robinhood Gold worth it. You guys may or may not know, especially for new viewers on the channel, new investors on the stock market, the market has very defined hours, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time only during Monday through Friday normal business hours trading. Other than that, you have no access to trading on the markets, on Robinhood, on E-Trade, on any of the other brokerage accounts. However, if you do invest in Robinhood Gold, the margins account, you can see you have access to pre-market and after-hours trading. Very, very important. You can see 30 minutes before trading, as well as 2 hours after trading. So what that means is you can jump in to trading at 9 a.m. instead of 9:30 a.m. So you get an extra 30 minutes in the morning, as well as 2 hours in the evening, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. That is very important if there are particular companies that have earnings reports during after hours. That's not uncommon. Again, to Robinhood Gold, you can't take advantage of any fail or maybe some disappointing news with regards to earnings reports or other news that comes out about companies. So I think that's probably the best reason to get into Robinhood Gold. They also have the extra buying power. I'm not going to go into this in too much detail here. This is essentially a margins account. There are some very important caveats to having a margins account. If you go to this detailed introduction here, you'll see that there are a few things called margins maintenance. That here. So yeah, it goes into what is margin maintenance, a very, very important caveat, and then what is a margins call and how do you avoid that. So definitely read through that if you are looking to get into Robinhood Gold to take advantage of that extra buying power. And then I think one of the other main features of this is the instant access here. So if you want to normally put money into Robinhood, you can only put $1,000 in for instant trading. The other money, you have to wait for that 3-day waiting period, that anti-money laundering waiting period there, and the AML period, before you can get access to those funds. So, for example, the last couple of weeks when the market has pulled back, if you wanted to put an extra $10,000 into your account or whatever that may be, you only can trade with that first $1,000. You cannot trade with the extra money you put in. So this would be another very compelling reason in getting Robinhood Gold. And again, if you buy that first tier, yes, you only get $2,000 for the additional buying power, but you still get access to extended trading hours as well as the instant access. So I think that $10 a month, just for those two features alone, not even taking advantage of the extra buying power, that extra $2,000, I think really makes Robinhood Gold worth it. So that is what I think of Robinhood Gold. I think it is a very good product for certain investors, the pre-market and after-hours trading, as well as the bigger instant deposits. I think those two are the two key features of why I would jump into Robinhood Gold. And again, you can jump in for the additional buying power, the margins account. Please scroll through all of this information here because it is very, very detailed, and there are some very important caveats behind holding margins, avoiding a margins call, and what is maintaining margins maintenance. That is very, very important to take a look at. It's not simply where you borrow money and there are no restrictions. There are restrictions to having bought stocks on margin. And the brokerage account, Robinhood, can ask for that money back at any time, and you essentially have to sell your stocks regardless if you wanted to or not. So you have to take very, very close attention to that when jumping into Robinhood Gold, taking advantage of that extra buying power. So that is my thought on Robinhood Gold. Please let me know if you guys are on Robinhood Gold. I have not jumped onto it. I find that the extra buying power, I really don't want to pay those. I don't need that. And I don't think I would really take advantage of the extended hours trading, although I would like to take advantage of the instant access, to have that ability to transfer money from my other brokerage accounts onto Robinhood very quickly, to do some day and swing trading when the market does pull back and stocks are on sale. So again, let me know if you guys are on Robinhood Gold. Not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Please let me know if you guys have any questions on this video, other videos, in the comment threads down below. I do my best to get back to you guys as quickly as I can. And yeah, not to make the video too long, I guess I'll end it here, and we'll see you guys next time.